Hey, Jack Mazzotti here. Welcome to another tutorial on using MetaSynth with Ableton Live. Okay, we're going to be using the image filter today. So, show you what I got here. Two very simple loops. One's a melodic loop. The other one is a really simple drum beat. Okay, we're going to import both of these into the image filter and then use them in tempo with our live project. And the reason why we can do that is because the audio that we're going to be using in the image filter is already set to our tempo. It's pretty tough to do it otherwise. Okay, so here is that melodic loop up in the sample editor. Alright, and then we're going to do something. We're going to make this fit our image window, the actual size of the image synth. And there's a critical step you have to do here, which is you go down to this right here and see how it says fit to current sample. That's for the tempo and duration. Yes, you want that. Okay, it's saying something like it's 700 and something BPM, okay? I don't know how exactly they calculated that, but they did. And so, click the green check mark, and then we hit the little, right here, analyze the spectrum. Bang, there we go. Now, to really get this to sync up properly, I'm going to turn off live for a moment as I start MetaSynth first. Yeah, you have to kind of it doesn't get it exactly, but you can get it. You can play around with it in live afterwards. But the cool thing is we have that audio. It's mapped right now to the tuning is the semitones. Let's turn to the major scale, see what it sounds like there. That's pretty interesting, right? But let's go up here and edit one channel. Go back to edit all. And we can start recording this in live. Now I have this set to the wavetable synth, so we're going to pull that up. And this is where things can get really weird and wonderful. So each one of these little wave icons, you select one and you drag it and it will morph into that waveform. So this is slowly turning into a square wave. And this one is noise. And there's no other synth out there that can do this. And now it's total noise here. And then you have these great little menu options. You want to turn it up a little bit. You can change the attack time, the release time, fine tuning. You know, let's make it really short. And let's turn that noise back into a sine wave. And since I have architecture waveforms, I can grab some of those. Go down to my MetaSynth folder. Let's see, here they are. I've got the 64-bit ones. No, these are the 32s. Let's see, complex sine. Let's try one of these. That's pretty bizarre for sure. And let's get a little crazy here. Doing just the red channel, which I believe is left actually. And let's reverse the time of that. Now we got a completely different sound here. And let's double time just that channel. And let's invert the pitch. Just going straight through the major scale here. One pixel at a time, one step at a time. Oh, you know what? I wasn't using my Wacom tablet, which has somehow messed my mouse up. And if you go beyond the barriers of your space here, the canvas, it'll cut off. So if I go down here, see. Too bad there's a delay on that, otherwise you could switch that stuff in time. So what else do we want to do here? I mean, there's so many different things you can do. For example, let's choose the sampler instrument, which I have pre-set up to be using a finger cymbal. And that's pretty fantastic if you ask me. Finger cymbal orchestra here. Select another sample from my 8 million one-shots here. Bell tree. That'll probably sound outrageous. change the attack and release on that. And then you have these little effect and filter menus here. You can put it on ping pong and echo, for example. Try another sample. Synthesism, also from Gal Bonham and 2C Audio. Grab one of these. Very interesting waves. A lot of them created in MetaSynth, I believe. Or if you can change the tuning of these as well. And let's add another filter on top of this. That's the other amazing thing you can do here. And let's try this one. Play with the contrast. So anything we create in this window now is going to be in sync with the rest of the sequencer because we set the size of it to have it fit the sample. So that's the main key to working with the image synth inside your DAW. Let's go back to that's some psychedelic psychopath stuff here. Clipped a whole bunch of stuff there. That's too bad, but I was doing this for my own project. I would turn the volume way down, get the little gain knob there. Okay, so let's try it with the drum loop now. Again, go down to here. This is the critical fit to current sample. You don't do that, then you're going to be really frustrated. and analyze. Boom. Go to a custom tuning here. Just doubled it. Select one side and reverse time and invert pitch. Transpose the whole thing up. I should be recording some of this. And then you can scale the frequencies. And turn it right back to one cycle. Smooth it out. Scale the amplitude. And let's not forget to displace. Select both of them. Double it. Reverse time, displace. Play with the contrast. Double it again. And there we go. Here's that first one. That's the original. Let's mix it in with the pretty weird stuff. Not perfectly in sync, but like I said, you could go back and fix that if you wanted to on your own using warp markers and just nudging the audio. So that's all for now. Till next time.